And the brush I'm using is a flat brush by Morphe, and I'm just gonna apply this on my lid. Oh, my lid, this is black. Just gonna go and do some smoky. I like smoky. I had done a smoky. I used to do a lot. I used to do a lot of brown, blacks and gray smoky eye. And I haven't done that in a while. I had smoky eye, and that's what I do. But it's been a while. I haven't done like a black smoky eye. Something like that. I know it looks crazy, but I'm trying to do as much I can because I know the lighting sometimes it won't show what you see, but you will see what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go ahead now and blend. And the brush I'm using now is this one right here from Morphe. Just blend, blend, blend. Very important. And I'm gonna drag that over here so we can make that little tail, see? I'm gonna switch to this. I use this brush instead. That one is giving me such a hard time. So this one I'm using is Sigma. This brush is by Sigma. I think this is E40. Oh, E25. So what I'm doing, I'm dragging this black eyeshadow that I apply on my eyelids, and I'm bringing it up, like blending it. I'm blending up and back and forth, blend, 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 so I could bring it up like I did, like you see in this eye. And then see, and a little drag that over here. It's already blend, like you don't see the harsh line anymore. Obviously you see like I look like a raccoon right now, but it's not gonna stay that way, I promise. When I have everything blend, I'm going to do the eyelid. And I'm gonna put concealer all here, open my eye. See, I'm gonna use my finger and apply this all over my lid. I use the same flat brush I used, and I'm just gonna flip and use this side and just pat this. Go ahead now and apply this glitter white, and this is by ColourPop, and it came in a collection, I think the ice cream collection, hollow top. See how pretty that color is? It's white and it's very shiny. Let me swatch it for you. Look at that. You guys can tell, there you go, so pretty. So I'm going to use my finger and I apply this. See, I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, so pretty. I hope it. Can you guys see how pretty that is? And apply very soft so it will not, the glitter will not fall off in your face, since I already have my face made up. I already have the foundation and everything, so look how pretty that is. So now I'm gonna go and use my, actually no, I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use this blending brush and blend everything. Blend, blend, blend. Can you guys tell the glitter? Hopefully you can. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go and use this eyeliner, and I'm going to apply this underneath of my eyes, and I'm just going to go very soft. I don't want to poke my eyes. I don't want to go, because I'm going to put white eyeliner on my waterline. I love this eyeliner because it's one, it's a crayon, two, it's very long, it lasts a long time, and two or three I could just go ahead instead of pulling my eyes, you know, this part down to do the eyeliner, to apply the eyeliner. I just go like how you guys see me before, without pulling my face down to apply the eyeliner, because you know this part over here is very sensitive. If I could prevent early wrinkles, I'll do anything I can. It's a pencil brush, and go slowly and just blend together. I'm gonna use this white pencil. It's by NYX, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit in my inner corner, and use my ring finger and like that. And do the same on this side, and like that. So I'm gonna go and use my Sigma pencil, and the palette I'm using right here, I'm gonna apply this white glitter. And the palette I'm using is by, who is this girl? Kat Von D. And I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. You guys can see that? Amazing. The eye, that's why I use the foundation, so the glitter will stick on that, it will not move. And I'm going to put a little bit under here. Not too much, because like I said, I don't want this glitter all over my face, because it does have to fall off. Now I'm gonna apply this color from the Too Faced palette for my bright bones, and the brush I'm gonna be using is this flat brush from the collection of No Name. And I apply this right here. This palette smells so good. Go and apply my lashes. Finish off with my face before I put the mascara. Now I'm going to use again the NYX white jumbo eye pencil, and I'm going to apply this. And now I do have to like pull my eyes down, which I don't like. And that will make your eyes like look bigger. The L'Oreal concealer, and I'm gonna use this as my contour. My face is lighter than, it's gonna be more lighter than the usual contour I use, but that's okay, because the color I'm gonna apply on top, the powder, is very dark. I just want something to apply to get the powder to stick on. You see what I'm talking about. Shall I remove my little hair from my way? So I'm gonna apply the same over here. And over here, I know it's not, you can barely see it, it's similar to my color, but it's okay, because the powder I use is not. The one I'm gonna use is not. Apply this over here and that over here. Voila. So I'm going to go ahead and use my beauty sponge and blend everything. Gotta hurry up with this concealer by L'Oreal, because it dries very quick. But you can still see it, see? So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend before. I'm going to use the Morphe brush and apply the Anastasia contour, and I'm going to apply this right here. See what I mean? Now it sticks right there, see? contour. We're just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. Go and use my concealer by Shape Tape by Tarte, and apply this few dots over here, some over here and here. Apply some there, and some right here, because you're gonna make your face. I'm going to use my Morphe sponge, and I'm going to show you guys. See, you're going to go like that. People probably think that you know, a lot of makeup, but I don't do this often. I only do some special occasion and when I go out. This is not something I would spend. Can you imagine if I do this every day? I will anywhere I will go, I will be late if I do this every single day. You only do this in special occasion. I mean, you could do it if you want every day, if you would like. If I had time, trust me, I will do this every day, because I love wearing I love wearing makeup, but I don't got time for this. This is why I like this sponge, because it has that flat, see, and you could do your cut line, like if you see, like you could clean it up, you could see, and same thing with this. Like I say, it doesn't matter if you make a mess, because you could always clean it up with your concealer. See? So I'm going to use that and blend everything together. Use my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to apply my blush. And I'm going to go very gentle, because I don't want to ruin what I created. This, even if I say gentle, this thing is so pigmented that, geez Louise, it goes crazy on you. But like I said, you could always clean it up. Now I'm gonna go and apply the powder so I could blend everything together, and apply it all my face and blend everything together. I'm going to apply the highlighter. This one, the one I'm using, Palm Cosmetic. So I'm going to apply that right here. You see? Blinding. Ooh. Apply that in there. And then right here, I don't want to put too much in this little corner, because I don't want the texture that you have in your skin and my face right now, because I have one friend right there. And I'm going to apply this on my nose. Keep this my nose up. And I'm going to put some in here. Just like that. And my Cupid's bow. I use the fan brush for my Cupid's bow, and then apply some in here. Now I'm going to use my Moisturize Mist setting spray, and I'm going to press. I press this into my skin. It will be more blinding. You know what? apply my mascara, lip liner. I'm going to use this Milani lipstick. No, the lithium. And the lip gloss is by NYX. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.